All parents will worry about child safety if they are not around. It's very hard to know where the children are and who the children are with all the time. It will give parents peace of mind if any solution helps them know where the children's location. The family tracking app, AirDroid Parental Control, can ensure your family's safety by checking their location information anytime, anywhere. It's an excellent way for parents to keep abreast of their child's activity on their smartphones. To start with, install AirDroid Parental Control on the parent's device. Sign up for an AirDroid account and then sign in. Second, follow the instructions in AirDroid Parental Control to install the AirDroid Kids on your kid's Android phone and enter the binding code to bind your kid's device. Now you can check the current location of your kids. Firstly, open your AirDroid Parental Control, then click the GPS icon at the bottom of the dashboard. You will see the location of your kid's device. To refresh your kid's location, tap on the refresh icon in the top right corner. Real-time interactive location tracking allows you to view their location with street addresses and landmarks, so you can see your children's location anytime. It is wonderful to track and keep kids safe. The location is always the first item listed in the activity timeline, giving you insight into where they are, if they are on their phone, and what they're doing. This can be done discreetly and track your child without them knowing. With AirDroid Parental Control tracking, you can check where your children have been. The location history will be stored for the past 15 days, so you can check anytime. It shows where the phone has been on a virtual map and what activity in these areas has occurred to ensure they aren't getting into trouble. Using geofencing, you can set up a defined geographical area and receive alerts when the device enters or leaves the area. It allows you know whether the kids are going to school on time. With this feature, you don't have to constantly check the app to see their updated location. AirDroid Parental Control also has multiple functions that ensure your child is safe, both online and in the real world. It also gives the capability to see what apps your child uses on their devices. You can remotely view and listen to the surroundings of your child's mobile device via one-way audio. Okay, that's all for today's video. For your convenience, we have left the download link of AirDroid Parental Control in the description below. You can also sign up for our site to enjoy a 3-day trial for free. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.